Hi there everybody. So on today's video I have this key fob remote which belongs to a Crysler PT Cruiser, and I'm just gonna change the battery inside. Now to open it we have this little cutting here in which we can get a flat head screwdriver, and all we need to do is get it in there. So to open it we just get the screwdriver in there, twist, and I will open the remote. That's where the battery is. It's a CR 2016, and there's two of them. So we just need to get it out of these little clamps on the side. This one, and that's the other one there. Just push the little clip a little bit. Try not to break it, of course. And then I have two batteries here. One of the batteries. Let's get it in there, push it down. Then I have the other battery. Again, let's get it in there, push it down, and then we can just close the fob. Like so. And that's it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.